So hello everyone. Today we will learn the update and delete with the Python and mysql. So we already made the insert and select. So we can right now do the update. So we will create here one update dot py python, and so let's start the coding. Similar way, import mysql dot connector, so as a SQL, and we can do here like db is equals to SQL dot connect, and similar way we can type here host is equals to local host comma user is equals to root comma, we can take here password is equals to abcd1234 in my case. Similar way we can use here like what we can use here database is equals to test db simply, and one more we can use here like auth plugin simply, and we can type here like mysql native password simply. Now we can connect this one using e, or we can execute the values also. So connect like db dot cursor and use here like c dot execute what we need to do update. So we can type here update, table name is mp employee, set name is equals to name is equals to Sham, where id is equals to 2 simply, and after this we can do the db dot commit and db dot close simply. Before this one we can do here print and type here update successfully simply, and now we can hit here like python which one update dot py, and yeah, update successfully. So we can check this one using python main.py and check, yeah, Sham is here. Okay, Sham is here. So we can do like this, we can remove this one so it's better understanding for us, like this, and we can check again, yeah, 2 is Sham. So this is the way to update. So we can do the delete also. So we can use here delete dot py, and similar way we can use here import. Actually we always do the import connections and all those things. In a future videos we don't want these things, we already learned the oops concept, so we can use that one, and we can do the nice queries and nicely. So right now we can focus this one like mysql dot connector as a SQL, and we can type here like db is equals to SQL dot connect, similar way host local host. I like to type continuously because it's a very good practice, we can't forget code long time, that's why. So host user is equals to root password is equals to abcd1234. Similar way, database is equals to test db, and one more is auth is plugin is equals to mysql underscore native and password simply. So we can do here again db, not db, we can take a c is equals to db dot cursor, and here we can do c dot execute what delete from emp where id is equals to 2 simply. And we can do here again print and delete done only, simply delete is done, and we can type here db dot commit or db dot close, simply close. We can check here like using python delete, and yep, delete done. So we can use here main.py and check, yeah, 2 is gone because 2 is deleted. So similar way we can check with the 4 also. So we can do the delete, yeah, delete is done, and main, yeah, 4 is gone. So this is the way to update and delete. So if you have any doubt or any queries, please write down the comment and keep enjoying to the CRUD operations. In a future videos we can take REST APIs. So do the subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.